Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Payroll Employee Account. So without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search for Payroll Employee Login. Once you make the search, just scroll down a little bit and you'll find the Employee Login. Just click here. Now, you are redirected to the official page of Complete Payroll. Just click on the Employee Login section, which is on the top right corner of your screen. Now, there are a lot of portals, just click the portal that suits you best. But for now, I'll choose Evol. Ser. Now, you just have to enter your credentials, which include your username and your password. In case you forgot your password, you can click on this I forgot my password link and reset it. If not, then just sign in and enjoy using Payroll as an employee. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.